Yo, YouTube, and I'm here today to punish Yeelong. Why? Because he forgot to post a challenge video last week. Like many of you guys already know, Yeelong has already punished me from before when I forgot a challenge video. So obviously, I have been waiting for this moment a long time. Kinda. It took me a long time to try to figure out what to punish Yeelong with. But I think I finally come up with a great idea. Yeelong, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna purchase 3 bottles of Diet Coke. 3. And then you're gonna set them around you in a triangle as such, really close to you. And then you're also gonna buy a pack of Mentos. That's right, Yeelong. You are gonna become the first human Diet Coke Mentos fountain. I hope you're ready. It's gonna be a lot of sugar. Don't scare me. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you guys haven't already. You do not want to miss Yeelong getting turned into a Diet Coke fountain. Also, on February 21st, Yeelong and I will be performing at HSA UCR's Hmong Night Live. So if you're in the area, why not go check us out? And you get to support a good organization in the meanwhile. Cool. We'll see you guys then. Good luck, Yeelong. That's my evil laugh. I'm a weird person.